Hey everyone, let's get going to the artichoke spinach with croissants. So today we're going to need some croissants, cream cheese, mayo, canned chicken, some cheese, spinach, and artichokes. I'm using quartered. They are in the can. They're not marinated. So we are going to chop up some artichokes, chop up some chicken, and chop up spinach. Once we have done with that, place it in a bowl and add in all the ingredients, well, besides the croissants. And mix that up so we have a nice creamy mixture as here. You can season to your taste. If it needs more salt, add. So I've got the triangles separated. Place on each. And then roll them up. We're going to do it this way. Whatever is easier for you. And then once we've done that, we're going to place it on our baking sheet. You can do egg wash if you'd like. Brush them with egg wash. Or you don't have to. It's just going to make it glossy if you want. Parchment paper on the baking dish. 350 until it's done. It takes maybe about 10-15 minutes until it's golden, lightly golden. And then you just gotta enjoy. It's so fluffy and so fresh and so creamy. It's like, this needs to be a go-to. Oh, you can see that? It's just like going out. Give it a try. I know you're gonna love it. And please comment, because I love reading your comments. And it's not hard for you. And subscribe, like, and so you can get more great recipes that we'll be posting. Thank you all so much, and I hope you guys have a great evening.